Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day after day. These timeless words from Robert Collier remind us of something powerful. But there's one important truth they quietly leave us to discover. Small efforts only become success when they're protected by focus. Because every big change, every dream, every new skill starts with one small decision. But let me ask you something. How many times have you promised yourself, tomorrow I will start? Tomorrow I will practice English. Tomorrow I will wake up earlier. Tomorrow I will finally become the person I want to be. And then tomorrow arrives, and somehow the same thing happens again.
A new day begins, but your old habits are still waiting for you. The alarm rings, your hand reaches for the phone. Just one quick check, one small distraction, and suddenly 30 minutes disappear. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you are not alone. Millions of people experience this. And today, we're going to talk about why this happens and how one simple skill can completely change your English journey. That skill is focus.
Welcome, beautiful listeners, to Speak English with Podcast.
A place where English is not a subject, it's a conversation.
Here, we don't believe in boring memorization. We believe in real stories, real emotions, real conversations, and English you can actually use.
Today, we're talking about something every English learner needs. Not another app, not another grammar book, not another shortcut, but something much more powerful, the ability to stay focused. Ava, I have a confession.
Oh no, what happened?
I think my brain loves new beginnings.
New beginnings?
Yes, every Monday, my brain becomes a completely different person. New week, new goals. This time, I will change everything.
And then?
Then Wednesday arrives, and my brain says, maybe we should start next Monday.
I think many learners understand this. A new notebook feels exciting. A new English app feels exciting. A new teacher feels exciting. A new plan feels exciting. But excitement is not the same as progress. Our brain loves something called novelty. Novelty means the excitement we feel when something is new. A new English course feels like a fresh beginning. A new vocabulary book feels full of possibility. A new app feels like the answer.
But sometimes, the new thing gives us motivation, while the old thing gives us results, and we confuse the two.
Exactly. A learner studies English for 5 days. Then they see a video. Learn English fast with this secret method. They click. They feel excited again. But they forgot something important. The problem was not the method. The problem was consistency.
Many learners say, I am lazy. I cannot focus. I will never become fluent. But maybe that is not true.
Maybe you are not lazy. Maybe your attention is simply being pulled in too many directions. Your phone, your notifications, too many choices, too many goals.
The way we speak to ourselves matters. Instead of saying, I am lazy, try saying, I am learning how to stay focused. One sentence creates shame. The other creates possibility.
Today, let's learn some natural English expressions. Expression number 1. I keep starting over. Meaning, I begin something many times but don't continue. Example, I keep starting over with my English practice.
Expression number 2. I get distracted easily. Meaning, something quickly takes your attention away. Example, I want to study English, but I get distracted easily.
Expression number 3. I'm building a habit. This means you are creating something slowly through repetition. Example, I'm building a habit of speaking English every day.
So how can we improve our focus? 3 simple steps.
Number 1. Choose one thing. Don't try 10 methods. One podcast, one routine, one small goal.
Number 2. Protect your attention. Put your phone away. Create a quiet moment. Give your brain space.
Number 3. Finish something small. Not a perfect 2-hour study session. Just 5 sentences, 10 minutes, 1 conversation. One small win creates confidence. Remember, a tree does not grow because of one day of rain. It grows because it receives water again and again and again. Your English journey is the same. One conversation, one sentence, one small improvement every single day.
Do not underestimate small progress.
So tomorrow morning, make yourself one promise, not 10 promises. 1. Maybe, I will listen for 10 minutes. I will speak one sentence. I will continue. Because confidence is not created overnight. It is created one conversation at a time.